Alright, so it's been a while since we did a video, so I figured let's just do a quick video over here. We do have the residential garden cat. Tends to keep things in check for the time being until he's bored. Obviously, you can see we have quite a few different projects going on here. However, the one thing I want to point out real quick is this guy here, this fella, Palestinian Dark, or Dark Palestinian, however you want to call it. It's from Palestine, or Palestine as they call it in Arabic. And it actually is a very, very vigorous producer and a grower. This all is, as a matter of fact, not a greenhouse grown. It actually was just in the basement maybe 2 to 3 weeks and then put out. And you can see it has done quite a bit of growth on it. And what's amazing also is the amount of production it has. If you look, like virtually every node has figlets on it. There's like no shyness in this at all when it comes to production. Like every single node is absolutely loaded with figs. I'm just beyond amazed. It's mounted in a variety, and it actually is, in a lot of ways, I feel like a little bit better than the Chicago Hardy. Even though I do have a Chicago Hardy, I would never get rid of it. But I would say this probably would be the second one also that I would absolutely keep and not get rid of. This is absolutely amazing how much growth it has put on in just such a short period of time. We got like this big size figlets without actually a greenhouse this early in the season. It's just mind blowing. But yeah, anyway, it's kind of shameful that not many people know about this variety. If you come across this variety, highly recommend you get it. Try it out, see what you think. But that's it for now. Chicago's Own 6A out.